In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 laser printers available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Brother MFCL 2710DW Monochrome Laser Printer. The Monochrome laser printer from Brother has your back. The printer is designed with home office and small business owners in mind, and it comes in a sleek black design with a sophisticated appearance. It's more than just a pretty face, though, as it includes a slew of useful features to aid you in your daily tasks. It also has a 50-sheet automated document feeder that saves time, as well as a sheet tray that can hold up to 250 pages at a time, so you won't have to worry about reloading for lengthy periods of time. The Brother laser printer excels in terms of connection, allowing you to print from your laptop, PC, or even your smartphone. You can connect from virtually anywhere because it has wireless capabilities, and if you prefer the old school, don't worry, the printer also works with USB and Ethernet cords, so you'll have no trouble printing whatever you want. You could be wondering about toner usage. The printer also performs well in this area, with the toner lasting longer and producing more material than competitors. At number 4 is the Lexmark MC3224DAJA Color Multifunction Laser Printer. Color printers didn't truly hit the mainstream until the late 1980s, and they're still not as ubiquitous as black and white printers. The majority of color printers on the market can also print in black and white, making them a useful tool to have. The Lexmark MC3224DAJA Color Laser Printer is an excellent example of a well-designed color printer. It's simple to set up and has a user interface that's both bright and straightforward. It can connect wirelessly, and it also supports wired connections. Overall, it's highly user-friendly, with a 1 GHz dual-core processor and 512 MB of RAM. Every process that the printer does is protected by Lexmark's full-spectrum security, so you don't have to worry about the information on it leaking or falling into the wrong hands. Overall, the Lexmark is a small gadget that can fit into almost any location. Top 3 at our list is the HP LaserJet Pro M254DW Laser Printer. The HP LaserJet Pro M254DW printer is an excellent choice for both home and office use. For black and color prints, the average first page speed is 10.7 and 11.8 seconds, respectively. It prints up to 22 pages per minute and has a 250-sheet input tray to hold all of your printouts and save down on refill time. With the M254DW's automated two-sided printing capability and easy access to your phone or laptop via the same Wi-Fi connection, you'll be able to get more done in less time. Your document is printed as clear and sharp as you'd expect using HP Toner Jet Intelligence. USB, Ethernet for a wired network, and dual-band Wi-Fi are among the printer's many interfaces. Moving up at number 2 is the Samsung Xpress M2020W Wireless Monochrome Laser Printer. Samsung printers appear to be basic, but don't be deceived by their appearance. The Samsung Xpress M2020W Wireless Monochrome Laser Printer has all of the features you'd expect from an office printer, including USB cable connections for computers, tablets, and smartphones, as well as a wireless connection for your Wi-Fi router and an NFC-enabled feature for printing from your Android phone. If you have an Apple device, such as an iPad or iPhone, you can print over Wi-Fi using the Apple AirPrint capability. You may need to reload the input tray on a regular basis due to its tiny capacity of 150 sheets. This printer has all of the essential functionality, but it lacks sophisticated features like auto-duplexing and only comes with one 1000-page cartridge. And at number 1 is the HP LaserJet Pro M477FDW Laser Printer. HP LaserJet printers are often stylish and have advanced printing technology, however, they are expensive. The HP LaserJet Pro M477FDW is more expensive, but it comes with a lot of advanced capabilities and weighs a whopping 51.2 pounds, making it the heaviest printer in this roundup. The 50-sheet auto-duplexing automated document feeder on this printer scans both sides of your page in one pass. The 4.3-inch color touchscreen, which allows you to configure the printer, control the number of copies printed, and scan to a network drive, is very appealing. Wireless Direct, HP's equivalent of Wi-Fi Direct, and near-field communication are among the connectivity choices available. NFC. Basic connections such as Wi-Fi, Gigabit Ethernet, and USB can also be used to connect to the printer. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.